cruiser motorcycles are often considered as an American breed. If you ask anyone from the States to draw a motorcycle, chances are they'll draw you a cruiser. And nothing exemplifies that kind of bike more than the two major American motorcycle manufacturers, Harley-Davidson and Indian. Those riders looking for a cruiser with reliability, modern features and a lower price tag tend to go for metric cruisers. And though not as popular as their American counterparts, metric cruisers have a lot to offer. Here's my pick of the best metric cruisers in the market. Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. If what you're after is the quintessential Harley-Davidson experience, without all the drama associated with reliability, biker culture and high cost, then the Yamaha Bolt R-Spec is the bike for you. Originally called the Star Bolt, Star being Yamaha's short-lived offshoot specializing in American cruisers, it arrived at US shores in 2013 and immediately made an impact with riders and journalists alike. The Bolt managed to deliver 3 solid mic drops. 1, it most definitely looked the part. With a V-twin at its core, the Bolt was reminiscent of the Harley Sportster in every way and sounded just as mean as its American counterpart. 2, it was built dead simple by Yamaha and was reliable to a fault. And with a massive catalog of accessories, its fans took the bike and made it their own. But the third point is what really hurt Harley. The current R-Spec will cost you $8,899, that's $4,609 cheaper than the Harley Nightster and $1,850 less than the cheapest Indian, the Scout Bobber 60. Suzuki Boulevard M109R Boss. What if you want a cruiser with some meat on its bones? You don't particularly care that it doesn't look like a traditional bike, you just want the muscle. Something that will project an attitude wherever you ride. For that, the Suzuki's M109R will do the trick nicely. In that massive frame sits an impressive, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 1783cc V-twin. And for its size, weighing in at 764 pounds wet, the bike manages to deliver a deceptively smooth performance with 128 horsepower and 118 pound-feet of torque. It's a muscle cruiser to the core and it won't cost you an arm and a leg to get it. Starting at $15,249, it's a bargain compared to some of its competitors. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. Sometimes we just want simplicity, back to basics, classic looks in an inexpensive package. Sometimes it's just about the ride and Royal Enfield understands that better than anyone. The classic builder has been steadily expanding out of India and into foreign markets, including North America. They're strategic and they're successful. Having recently released a well-loved beginner bike, the Meteor 350 already had set their shrewd sights on the rest of the American cruiser market. And if the talk around the water cooler is to be believed, riders who have become less than impressed with Harley-Davidson and Indian's overpriced business-as-usual machines will be welcoming the relatively simple and by all accounts inexpensive Super Meteor 650 with open arms. At the time of this video, RE has still not launched the Super Meteor in North America, but we very well know it will make its way someday. Honda Rebel 1100. The Rebel 1100 is a thoroughly modern cruiser from Honda with legendary Honda reliability. While the Rebel 300 and 500 are terrific beginner bikes, this Africa twin-powered cruiser went straight for the jugular. Its bobber looks, low seat, sub $10,000 price and optional automatic DCT transmission goes a long way to inviting potential new riders that were intimidated by manual transmissions, high prices and tall seats. It is modern in looks, loaded with features and technology, with Honda deciding to bypass nostalgia altogether. Kawasaki Vulcan S. Kawasaki's smallest cruiser offering is a bit of a black sheep in the motorcycle community. Its uninspired looks and engine performance are put down by many a seasoned rider, but these unenlightened folks fail to understand one important thing. It's not made for them. It is specifically designed to be an unintimidating, adjustable beginner cruiser. Kawasaki's ErgoFit modification system can help adjust the bike's ergonomics to fit just about anyone. It's no wonder that new and shorter riders flock to the Vulcan S. It allows them to flat-foot the bike at stoplights, which in turn helps the rider develop much-needed self-confidence. And Kawasaki is practically giving it away, with the ABS model running at $7,899. Triumph Rocket 3. And I end the list with an unorthodox cruiser, the redesigned Triumph Rocket 3. The Rocket is about as far as you can get from the Bolt R-Spec or just about any other motorcycle in the same market, and it's all due to that bonkers 2500cc engine producing 165 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque. Why do you need so much power in a cruiser? Even Triumph may not know. But one thing is for sure, American motorcycle makers have no answer for it. No, it doesn't look like a classic chopper, bobber or cruiser, but it basically has a car engine in its chassis, so as far as it's concerned, it has nothing left to prove. Which one of these metric cruisers would you go for and why? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you liked this video, then smash that like button, and if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.